There are many products available to choose pantry shelving, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pantry shelving from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Slim Storage Cart, 4-tier narrow kitchen rolling cart. This is one of the essential pantry storage ideas that will make everything else easier. Cooking ingredients come in a wide variety of packaging of different sizes and heights, and your pantry shelving should reflect that. Rather than positioning the shelves at an equal distance, leave more space between the lower shelf and the upper shelves. The bottom shelf can then be used for larger, heavier items, perhaps even your food processor, whereas the upper, more narrowly spaced shelves can house condiments and other jars. Pantry door is an opportunity not to be wasted, especially if your pantry is narrow and you don't have that much room to play with. All those little spice and herb jars can nestle in shallow shelves on the door. Or, to make life even easier, fit a door mount spice rack from Amazon onto the door. Number 2. KINGRACK 4-tier slim rolling cart. It's not just the quality and design of the shelving itself that matters. Think about what's behind your shelves when you open your pantry. If your pantry is unpainted and you want a more elegant, bespoke look, wallpapering is an easy and versatile shelving idea to set off your decor. This gorgeous wallpapered pantry has been created by Turek Interiors. If you have deep pantry shelves that are also well spaced out, you may want to add portable shelving storage units to make them work a little bit harder. This is also easier than building extra shelves. Ideally, choose a unit that has tray-style shelves, as these will hold your items a bit better. Number 3. Helsin 3-tier industrial pipe shelf rustic wood floating shelves. You don't necessarily need fancy storage containers on your pantry shelves. Be inspired by this brilliant walk-in pantry shelving idea by Alison Candler Interior Design. It uses vintage soda storage crates to add a little rustic character to the pantry. This idea is also very budget-friendly and sustainable. Vintage wooden crates can be bought on Etsy. Think that a pantry and small kitchen ideas are incompatible? Not necessarily. Unused corners provide excellent opportunities for creating a pantry, and well-built bespoke corner shelving can easily give you as much storage space as a regular pantry. You will want to keep your containers to taller, slimmer designs in order to waste that valuable shelving space, though. Design-wise, a smaller pantry looks great painted in darker colors, as the bespoke example above. Number 4. Danya B. Decorative Cubby Shelf. Want to organize your pantry shelves so that you never again forget where anything is? Take your cue from this extra tidy pantry organized by Neat Method. We really like the tiered storage for condiments and spices. The tiered trays allow you to see all the spice jars at once. The round tray with sauces in the center looks great as a centerpiece. If your pantry is deep and narrow, and you have the budget for custom-built pantry shelving, consider a pull-out design. It'll save you so much time rummaging inside, trying to make out what's at the back of the shelves. You could also try fitting a sliding cabinet organizer from Amazon inside your pantry. Of course, it won't look quite the same, and you'll have to be very precise with measurements for it to work. Number 5. Tribesigns 20-bottle wine baker's rack. Who knew that a pantry shelving idea could also be one of the best kitchen storage ideas for wine lovers? Not everyone has a separate space for wine storage, and the pantry can provide the ideal solution. All you need to do is build X-shaped compartments for a couple of the shelves. Or, if you don't want to DIY it, you can get a wine storage rack on Amazon and just slide it in. If you're not too short on space and don't actually need your pantry to store all your cooking ingredients, you could transform your pantry into a gorgeous breakfast bar. You will need sturdy, solid shelving to house your coffee machine. We really like the way this example from Life Kitchens uses a box shelf to store the coffee machine, with narrow shelves on the sides used for coffee mugs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.